Okay, we're going to give the My Joe another shot this morning. My husband actually got it to work yesterday, but man, it took a lot of power, and by the time he kind of got it to push through, it was, the water was kind of lukewarm, so the coffee didn't taste real good. So today, I'm going to try it with the reusable basket that it comes with. I'm going to put some coffee in it and see if we can't get it to work that way. Okay, so the little basket is full. So I'm going to put it in there where it belongs, and then we'll put this in here. And then we have the two-piece top over here. Let me get some water heated and see what it does. Okay, so we got the water. I'll pour it in here. Up to the 10-ounce mark again. And we shall put on the lid. Have it all the way around. And this is the part where it took a lot of work, but well, it works with the reusable cup pretty easily, actually. It says to push it until it stops running, and then release it and do it again. It's got almost all the water out now. One last. All right, let's see. What do we have? Well, we actually have more water in there. All right. Now, let's taste the coffee. Wow, that's actually not a bad cup of coffee. Looks like a pretty nice dark cup of coffee. Tasted like a nice dark cup of coffee. That's definitely smarter. I took a couple of sips without sugar. I usually take a little sugar, so let me put some sugar in here. And I could definitely drink that. So the reusable cup works really well. Now if I can just figure out how to make the K-cups easier to use. And now it could be the K-cups that we're using too, because they did say different K-cups have different structure. So that could be it. So I might experiment with some different types of K-cups and let you know. But with the reusable basket, the My Joe works really well. Let me take another sip here. Yeah, that's a good cup of coffee. I would definitely drink that, and I'm going to. So have a great day. I'm going to sip on My Joe coffee now.